Introducing the Spark Futura Modem, our new 4G wireless broadband modem. This versatile modem also supports our Fibre Broadband plans, allowing seamless switching between broadband technologies as needed. With Wi-Fi 6, the modem offers enhanced reliability, improved performance, and the ability to connect more devices effortlessly. The modem arrives in an eco-friendly and 100% recyclable box. There's no single-use plastic included. Keeping in line with our eco-friendly packaging, the Quick Start Guide is printed on the box. It'll take you through the steps needed to set up and connect to Spark Broadband. For wireless broadband, we recommend placing the modem close to the window to get the best connection. For Fibre Broadband, place the modem near your fibre box, sometimes known as the ONT or ONT. Make sure you have a power point nearby. Now let's look at how to connect the modem. For wireless broadband, take out the power supply unit, plug it into the modem, and then into a power point in your home. Remember to switch it on at the wall and then power on your modem. Now wait for the Wi-Fi, 4G, LTE, and internet lights to go green. It may take several minutes. Once the lights are green, you can connect to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name and password is on the back of the modem, right here. You can also connect your WPS-enabled devices such as a wireless printer or mesh unit with the button located on the side of the modem. Here you will also find the on-off button for the LED lights. If the lights on the modem are off, you can press the LED on-off button to see if they've been switched off. For Fibre Broadband, after connecting the power plug and turning your modem on, plug one end of the blue Ethernet cable into the port labelled LAN 1 on your fibre box or ONT. Plug the other end of the blue cable into the port labelled WAN on your modem. Wait for the lights to go green, then you can connect to the Wi-Fi. If you have landline included with your broadband plan, you can set this up next. For wireless broadband, check that the phone LED light is green. Then plug one end of the grey cable into your landline phone and the other end into the grey port on the back of the modem, labelled phone or FXS. For Fibre Broadband, find a telephone jack point in your home and plug in your landline phone and check if you can hear a dial tone. If this doesn't work, plug one end of the grey cable into your phone and the other end into the port on the fibre box, also known as an ONT, labelled POTS 1, TEL or TEL 1. Don't worry if the phone light on your modem isn't green, the landline will be working through your fibre box. Any issues, go to spark.co.nz/help to chat or book a call with us. You can also download the Spark app to test and troubleshoot your broadband connection.